This video is sponsored by Squarespace. You guys didn't even notice this, but I have not filmed a video in 3 weeks. And you guys didn't notice this because I've been posting consistently, except 1 week, 1 week I did miss because anyways, you guys didn't even notice because I'm a wizard. No, actually, I was just away. I was away in Europe for a few weeks. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw all these bomb photos I've been posting on there for like the past 2.5 weeks, but I'm home now. I'm back to regular content. No more traveling. But that was a fun trip. And even more fun, I guess for you guys, is the yarn haul I got from it. So before I get into this video, here's a yarn haul. Italy, Copenhagen, Vienna, France, more Copenhagen. I think these are also from Copenhagen. Copenhagen. These are from Copenhagen. Germany. But that's it I got. And we're not gonna use any of them today. So what I wanna do today is I want to recreate something that kind of sucks. This could honestly be like a great series on my channel, like recreate crap. But anyways, the thing I want to recreate today is this bad boy. I don't know if anybody remembers me making this. I ended up making this on a plane ride, and honestly, from the looks of it, this looks pretty good. I thought it looked good. I thought the quality was good. I thought 10 out of 10 when I made it. But as soon as I started using it, crap. Too low. It sags. Like, I just have my phone in here and look at this structure. This is terrible. I can sew. I can do other things other than just crochet. So why does it look like this? Like, good idea, good everything, but execution, terrible. So looking at this bag, a few things I know I can do better. One is the structure. This is saggy. This is like saggy boobs. It's not, I don't want a saggy boob purse. I want a structure perky purse. So first thing I want to fix is the sagginess of this. I want it to be nice and structured. Second thing I want to fix is the stitch here. It is like too holy. I don't want a holy purse. We don't want things falling out. We need a tight purse. Third thing, last thing I think, the strap. You don't even need to be good at crochet to know this is bad crochet. This is a bad strap. So if I can fix all 3 of those issues, it should be perfect. So to make this a little bit more structured, last time I did a double crochet and that's why it was so holy. This time, single crochet. That should help with the holy issues. 8, 9, 10. So I think I've done 3 rows now, and because I'm doing a single crochet, it's taking a while each row. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing website where you guys can go and create your own professional looking website. I personally have been using Squarespace ever since college and I actually use them right now for my website. There's a few things I love about Squarespace, and one is their online store where you can sell physical and digital products. 2, with that online store, you can also offer local pickup to your local customers. And 3, if you're an artist designer like myself, but you don't have any products you want to sell, you can also set up an online gallery feature and showcase your work there, and even add a password for certain galleries for your clients. Head to squarespace.com/JennaPhipps to start your free trial, and then after free trial, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps at checkout, and you guys will get 10% off your domain or website. So like I mentioned, I went to Europe for 2.5 weeks, and for some reason, every time I come back, because obviously the dogs didn't come with me, I get this dog with some really bad habits. And this time, it was really bad because I came back in the evening, went to bed, because obviously I was tired, the jet lag, and I woke up in the morning with piss on my couch, poop on my carpet, and throw up. And it definitely wasn't Benson. And then the cherry on top, later in the day, peed on my couch twice more. So I've been working on this bag for 5 hours now, and I just realized now I was doing it wrong, the pattern. I started off good and did squares, and And then after that, I switched to rectangles. And I know for a fact, every single time I see a mistake and I ignore it and I say, it's a happy accident, just leave it, I 9 times out of 10 regret it, so. This is worse than ripping a Band-Aid off. I like to look on the bright side of things, so at least I don't have to fully restart. Day 2 on this magical journey of recreating one of my crap pieces. And today, on day 2, I am just past where I was yesterday before I started to restart it. This is what I have. And overall, I'm happy but not happy. I'm happy with this. This feels great. This feels sturdy. This is gonna be a great bag. What I'm not happy with is my progress. It's been a day and I have this to show for. So a lot of work gotta get done today. It's because yesterday I got distracted because technically it's Thanksgiving this weekend. So I was like, hey, Costco's gonna have the pumpkin pies now. So I went to Costco. Got this for $6.99 yesterday. Yes, I know a quarter of it's already gone, but I did have it for lunch, dinner, breakfast. Like, I didn't just have that all in one sitting. Almost there. I just realized that if I actually focus, I don't go shopping for pumpkin pies, I don't take like 55 snack breaks, I get things done. Look at this. First flap done. How long did this take? I don't know. 6 hours, and I probably wasted 5 of them. Like, I probably could get the next one done in 2 hours if I actually like focus. The sun has made its way into our place, and Benson, he can finally suntan in the living room. Huh? It's a good spot. Are you happy here? So it's October in Canada right now, so that means it is not warm most of the time here in Canada, but today, it's a nice day. And now that there's limited nice days, I really need to act on them with bike rides. I need to go on a bike ride every single day it's nice out because there's not that many nice days left of the year. Proposition. I finished this one other panel. Bike ride. Bike ride! You happy? So I'm realizing why I'm so slow at making these little squares. One, because I'm making it so tight. It's a little difficult to crochet. 2, it's a lot of changing of color because I'm doing a checkered here. So that also takes more time. And then 3, I'm not gonna say it's not enjoyable, but because it's so stiff and hard to get the hook through there, it's not the most enjoyable crochet. I still like it, but it's a little bit harder, you know? That more to go. Officially done 2. You know what that means now? It's bike ride time. I'm on a bike ride! How pretty it is! can't take a video to show everyone where I bike to. So this morning has just been a roller coaster of emotions with this bag. This is gonna be a long story. So, to start off with, this morning I woke up, was like, you know, it'd be kind of nice, just slapping these two bad boys together, putting a strap on it, and then calling it a day, and then the rest of the day, I can do nothing. Then I thought to myself, Jenna, do you want to be average? No, we are not average in this household. We are above average, and above average Jenna would put like a side to it, put a lining in it, and go and get like a nice strap or something. So above average Jenna has changed plans, and she then spent a whole hour this morning doing swatches of what I could do on the side, because above average Jenna doesn't want to just do checkered on the side because that's really boring. Above average Jenna wants to do something fun, revolutionary, something no one's ever seen in this world before. So above average Jenna made these swatches. See? But above average Jenna could not decide which swatch she likes the best, so then she thought, hey, what if we put all these bad boys together? I feel like that could be something. So I'm gonna experiment with that if I like sew all these like the long way, so it's like one big long strap, and then we sew it along the side of the bag to make it, this probably doesn't make sense. I'll show you, but that's my thought process. Let's try this, see if she floats, and eat yogurt with a fork. I'm almost halfway through my pie now, so I've been using a lot of spoons and I ran out of clean spoons, so now I have to use the rest of the forks. A lot of experimenting had this morning. So many. I also found when I was like looking through all my yarn, look at this bag I almost finished. Maybe we'll finish that up too in today's video. Probably not, but it's the thought that counts. I'm so dumb. Why am I sewing all these scraps together when I can just crochet this like right on here? Think it's going well? I think I'll know more once I finish this row. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now next step, I need to attach that. It's great so far, isn't it? Look at this structure of the bag. Like, is this floppy? No, this is not floppy. Is the old one floppy? Oh, you better believe it. Look at that comparison. Anyways, it's like 80% there. Like, I'm pretty happy with the structure of this, but obviously there's no strap, there's no lining, there's nothing else to it. So I am on my way to the fabric store, and I'm gonna try to get a lining for it and also a nice strap, hopefully. I don't know if they have nice straps there. We made it. Okay, so this is one option. I can do a strap with this or this one. This is kind of like my original plan, was to get kind of a cool cording. But my other idea is maybe they have like a leather cord. That could look nice. So the leather strap, it was okay. I don't know. So I'm back here looking at the straps, and there's a lot of options, so I feel like one will work. This one? This one? This one? Okay, these are the two I like. I like this one. Okay, first option. Second option. This one is less bold, which is nice, but I also really do like the contrast of this one. It's tough because they're both really nice. Okay, I'm back from this fabric store. Actually, I got back from the fabric store like hours ago, but it was nice out. I don't have to explain myself. I'm here. I have some fabric. This is the fabric I got for the lining. I was gonna go with the blue, but then I was like, let's calm it down with the colors, Jenna. Let's just keep it simple for the inside. So basic kind of cream inside, and then the strap. Look at the strap. The fabric store I go to has like the most incredible notions. Like I swear they have notions there from like 1920. So to make this lining, I think I just plop this on top and kind of make it that way. Okay, got this on the fold. Okay, I'm gonna start sewing. These two pieces, hope I didn't make this too small, but it should just slip in here. And then I should be able to fold this over inside. Let me sew my tag in first, 1 sec. That's better. Now I just need to pin this. I got it pinned inside. I think it looks pretty good. It's a little snug, so I'm gonna have to stretch the fabric a bit, but I think it works. So what I'm thinking for the strap, I have some leather here that I think I want to use for little like hoops on the side for the strap to kind of feed through. So I think I just need to cut 2 skinny strips here. It's perfect. My neighbors are not gonna like me for this next part. So I did one side. I didn't show you, I'm sorry, but I did one side. I think it looks pretty good. I like it, so I'm gonna do the other side. It's really straightforward. All I do is just take this, fold this, and then take a needle and sew it on the side. I'll just sew this on here and then I'll be back tomorrow when it's bright outside and I'll show you guys the final bag, okay? So I finished my bag last night. I'm so happy with it. Honestly, I should redo everything I've made now because honestly, the second time you do something, always better. The third time you do something, even better. I'm not gonna just keep repeating making this one bag, but honestly, I kinda want this to be a series where I go back and redo old work and just make it 100 times better and fix everything that I hate about it after using it for a while. Like I feel like prototyping. It's like what businesses do. It's except I'm doing it just with my own things. But I have both bags here. I'm gonna show you them, compare them. You can tell me which one you like more. If you don't like my new bag, I don't care. I like it. I'm gonna use it. But, hey, what do we think? This is obviously the old bag. You can see the structure is just not there. It's a saggy boob. This one, holy crap. This one's perky. This is the bag. Look at that. The front, back, which are slightly different. I ended up doing the strap. This is what the strap looks like on the side. And then the other side, honestly, love the touch of a little bit of leather. I love this striped strap, or what do we want to call this? Yeah, it's like a twirly black and white strap. I think beautiful, because when we compare it to this strap, crap. Can't even sugarcoat it, it's crap. There's my bags. I also want to compare that this whole time I've had my phone in it, even though it does not look like my phone's in it, and obviously my phone's heavy. We go and put my phone in this one, ugly, saggy. We put my phone in the new one, the exact same, with the phone, without the phone. Can you even tell the difference? No. So yeah, that's like my whole goal in life, is to make things that, you know, perky. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys in another video. If you guys want me to recreate more things that are crap that I have made, let me know down in the comments. But that's it. Bye.